Every robot can move. Very few can think. The hardest part of robotics has never been motors, sensors, or cameras. It's real-world understanding. Very few can truly understand because seeing the world isn't the same as making sense of it. For years, robots learned to see. In June, we launched K5D so they could finally think. Now we are bringing the same intelligence to the physical world, launching a 2.6-Sol physical simulator.
This is how our A2.6-Sol physical simulator works. We can import an image into the software and either describe the task with a prompt or use our speech to text. The robot then plans and executes the task exactly as it would in the real world. At the moment, however, this is running entirely in a physics-based simulator. Here, the robot is completing the task, wash my clothes, and the task finishes successfully. Next, we give it the instruction, apply soap to all the plates, and you can see it correctly. Plans and executes the sequence, applying the soap as instructed. These are just a few early demonstrations used to validate the system's reasoning and execution capabilities. The platform also supports custom instructions, allowing you to define persistent behaviors for the robot or simply provide them through voice commands.
The humanoid operating system also received a 99% score on the MMRO benchmark, making this the best embodied reasoning model out there in the whole world, outperforming every giant, including Google with their Gemini Robotics and Pi 0.5.